Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the latest update on Tomarket Airdrop. Tomarket is actually giving out or distributing free TOMA token to those who started mining the Tomarket app at the early days. So if you're among the early adopters or the early miners of this Tomarket Airdrop project, you're going to be receiving a free Tomarket token in your account. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to show you guys this announcement. This announcement was made just a few minutes ago. Let me scroll down now to the latest update that was released in this Tomarket announcement Telegram group. So guys, now you can see it right here. Early adopters rewards are here. As promised, 3% of the total TOMA token supply has been reserved to reward our early supporters. If you qualified for this exclusive reward, your early adopter bonus is now live in your account. So guys can see it, those who started mining the Tomarket app, they are going to be receiving free TOMA token. Let me continue reading. You can see early adopter rewards here. So guys, now you can see this distribution of TOMA token is in tiers. You can see we have tier 1, we have tier 2 and tier 3. For tier 1, those under tier 1, they are going to be receiving 20% of their TOMA token balance. So whatever balance that they had, whatever TOMA token balance that they had during the snapshot, they're going to be receiving 20% of that balance. So guys, that's how it works. Then for tier 2, they're going to be receiving 15%, while for tier 3, they're going to be receiving 10%. And these categories is based on the time you joined. You can see for tier 1 are for those who joined on and before July 14, 2024, while tier 2 are for those who joined on and before July 31st, 2024, while the tier 3 is for those who joined on and before August 31st, 2024. So guys, what you're going to do now is to go over to your Tomarket app and check your account. You can see what's written here. They said check your account now to see how much extra TOMA you have earned. Share your rewards with us. We would love to see how much you've got. So guys, what I'll do now is to go over to my Tomarket app to see if I actually qualified for this free TOMA token that is being distributed to early miners or early adopters of the Tomarket Airdrop project. So guys, let me go over to my Tomarket app right away. Then let me tap on the search icon to search for my Tomarket app. Then let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see my Tomarket app is loading up. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It's loading. Wow guys, you can see I'm eligible for the free token, for the free reward. You can see I'm being awarded over 16,000 TOMA token. You can see it right there. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to claim this. You can see what's written there. They said early adopters reward. Like I said earlier on, you can see you have received an exclusive early adopter reward airdrop. Thank you for your support. So guys, let me tap on claim right away. You can see where it is written claim. Let me tap on it real quick. Wow guys, you can see I've claimed it already. You can see I've been able now to claim the early adopter or the early miners reward on this Tomarket app. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this video. If you did, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.